Greetings. In this video, we are going to look at how you can add alternative text to your image on Facebook to make it more accessible and inclusive. So we come here to post, say what's on your mind. So I'll generate some text here for the post, and then importantly, you come here to add an image or video. So we click here to add an image, add your photo. For example, I'll select this. And then when it loads here, you come and click here to edit it, and you'll be able to access the other features. So right here now, we want to access alternative text. So we click here on alternative text. So you can use a generated alternative text for this photo, but you can also come here to custom to give it your own description and touch. So this is where you put what this image is about in its full description. And then after you're done, you click here on save. And then when you are ready, you've cross-checked your post text, and your image is now having alternative text, which makes it easier for people who have visual impairment to be able to use the screen readers to understand what this image is about. Then you can post. Thank you.